I just built this workflow for my YouTube automation right now. So look how it works. So what this does is that it auto generates scripts for my YouTube automation, for my social media, for my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. You get it. So I have different social media accounts. So I cannot be going to chat GPT every day to tell him generate this for me, generate that for me. Or that I just have to do this automation so that it will auto generate script for me. So this is the node that triggers the AI to generate scripts. This is the node for the AI. This is the node that extract data from the AI. This is the node that save it to my Google Sheets. So this is how this node works. You can set the trigger. Right now the automation is not online, so I can make it online, but I just want to explain it for you first. You can set the trigger to either seconds, 30 seconds, or any seconds you want. You can set it up wherever you want. You can put it in seconds, minutes, hours, days, or any custom you get. So also you can trigger it manually, but for now I'm going to trigger it manually. This is my page for Google Sheets. This is my page for Google Sheets. So the way this one works is for 1 minute reel or shorts. You get. I did this automation to auto generate 1 minute script for reels or shorts. So right now I have I'm in number 11. So let me click execute the automation. Then you'll see it will auto generate to this place. Let me execute it so you see how it works. I executed it just now, but the video just mistakenly cut off. So there's already, for the 12 I showed you just now, look at what it generated for me. It generates the title, the scripts, the tone I'm going to use for my transforming it to voice. You get the tone I'm going to use transforming it to voice. It generates tags for me. It sets the dates which I created with the automation was created. Then the status is generated. The status is generated. So for the status is generated for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. It shows not posted. So what I'm going to do here is that I will create another node that will automatically transform the script to voice, create a video for it, and then merge it together. So that's what I want to do. But I just said I should show you this first automation I did. So let me know what you think about this automation. Let me quickly execute the workflow so you see how it works. If you click on execute, it is generating the scripts. This AI is generating the script. Then this will save it to my Google Sheets. This is it. This is what it just created for me. This is what it just created for me. So if I should execute it again, it will generate something else for me. Let me execute it again. Look at what it generated. So basically, the kind of content I create for my automation social media account, it's facts for physiology facts, you get. So that is why it's generating all this for me. You can customize it and then give it prompt to generate whatever. You can customize it to whatever you want. For me, I do automation for physiology. Why this happen, why does that happen, you get. So that's just it. So I will show you the 10 minutes. This one is for the 1 minute short content. It can generate whatever you want for you, be it 1 minute, 10 minutes, or whatsoever you get. So this is the workflow for the 10. Let me go back and enter the workflow for. This is the workflow for 10 minutes. So this is the workflow for 10 minutes. So this is the workflow for the 10 minute scripts. Physiology script generator for 10 minutes plus, you get. So this workflow will automatically generate 10 minutes scripts for me, 10 minutes and above. This is for my YouTube channel, the not the YouTube reel or shorts, it's for the main YouTube videos. So before I generate it, you can set the trigger to any interval you want, be it minutes, seconds, hours, days, or months. So it will auto generate by the time you want it. So let me set it for every 5 seconds. So you see it every 5 seconds. So let me set it for, I've brought it live, so it is live now. It will be working on its own every 5 seconds. This is the page for this is the Google sheet in which it will save to. So let me refresh it if anyone have come to the page. Nothing else has come to the page. Just wait a minute. Okay, this is it. It has auto generated one script for me. It has generated another theory now. You see, so anything you set it to, it has generated the fifth one. Now you can see it live. So automatically it can generate it for me anyhow I want it. So I'm going to create another workflow now that will auto collect the script for me, change it for collect the script for me. Then so what I want to do is later I'm going to create another automation that will collect those scripts this automation is creating. Then it will turn it to voice. Then it will also merge it with a video and they automatically post it for me. This way I will not have to operate too many social media accounts at the same time. Instead, the AI will be doing everything for me for my social media. So if you need something like this, just let me know. Or if you need this notes for if you need this automation, if you need the code for this automation, just let me know. I will, or DM me, I will send it to you for 5k. I will send it to you for 5k. So very cheap. And if you don't have any website, for those that don't know how to host your stuff online, I will host it for you for 1 month free. Just 1 month free for you on my site on the subdomain. So let me know if you need it or not.